Alright guys, so today we're talking about the future of this channel. So I've already prepared some slides that I'm going to be using. So the first I'm going to be showing you is my 2021 YouTube goals, which I'm going to be doing with this channel. So this channel is going to be divided into two sections. So I have the first section here and I have the second section here. Now the thing you need to know about this first section is that what I'll be focusing on. So this channel is going to be focusing on just two main things. One is coding tutorials. The second one is dev job reviews. So I'm going to run through the both of them, so I'll explain to you so that you know what to expect. So for the first section, we're talking about crash courses. So I'll be making videos on crash courses like HTML crash courses, CMS crash courses, Bootstrap, SAS, and all the rest. I'll also be talking about frameworks and frameworks like JavaScript frameworks, PHP frameworks, Express, and so we're going to be explaining frameworks also. So I'm going to be talking about backend. I'll be looking at backend and front end, and also databases. So we're going to talk about all these things in this 2021, and I'm also going to be doing tutorials on Figma, which is the design software. So because I believe as developers, sometimes I think we should also learn about design. So I'm going to be talking about this. I'm also going to be talking about coding tips and tools. So maybe things like VS Code Kit and how to use Chrome to debug your code. So we'll talk about some of all those things. Now the second section here, we're going to be talking about dev job review. So what this means is that we're going to be explaining dev jobs. Okay, that is what you're going to be doing if you're looking for a job, something like that. I'm also going to talk about the skill requirements, and also we're going to talk about language and frameworks that you're going to be using when you're working for a company. So we'll talk about that. So we'll talk about how to apply. So we'll also talk about the location of the job. Maybe I'm in Lagos or in another country. So we're going to talk about something like that. And also we're going to talk about company website reviews. Now this part is where we're going to be looking at other sites, okay, other company sites. We're going to be reviewing it on how to build it, or if they have a job that they post, we're going to be talking about it. Just review everything. And also the last one, I have more here. This means that I'm going to talk about much more, not just only this one, but other things that are very interesting. The second one that I'm going to be talking about is just like a breakdown of the first section. Okay, as you can see here, I have HTML, which I'm going to talk about. Obviously, I'm also going to talk about CSS and JavaScript. And for the CSS part, we have advanced CSS, we have CSS framework. So the CSS itself is, we're going to talk about the vanilla CSS, so we understand how to use the vanilla CSS. We're going to talk about advanced CSS like Flexbox, Grid, CSS variable, and SAS. We're going to talk about CSS framework also like Material UI, Bootstrap, Timeless, and all that bunch of CSS frameworks. I'm going to talk about JavaScript, of course. I'm going to focus on vanilla JavaScript, Node.js, React, and Vue, Express, and MongoDB. And moving on, I'm also going to be looking at other languages like PHP and MySQL, Python, tools. For tools, we're going to be looking at Git and GitHub, VS Code and VS Code extension, Chrome extension, other debugging tools. For design, we're going to talk about Figma and WordPress. We're going to talk about all these ones. So then what else? So, and also there are going to be more. So this is not all of it. So we are going to be talking about. So we are still going to be looking things that are not mentioned here in this slide. So there's so much more things that we're going to be talking about. So kindly drop a comment if you think that there's anything you want me to add that is not here already. So let me know. The next thing I'm going to talk about is okay. So if you want to follow me on social media, I'm at Oxygen on all social media. That's the same word. Once you type the same word, I just use one word, Oxygen, so like easy for you to catch me and inbox me anything you want to say. So that's it, guys. This is just a roundup of 2021. I'm recording this video on the 26th of December. So Merry Christmas, guys. If you're just celebrating on Christmas, I'm wishing you Merry Christmas. And I'm also wishing you Happy New Year. And I also pray that we all make it, because 2020 is kind of a mess for a lot of us because of COVID-19, and everybody had to struggle. People had to lose their jobs. So I just want to use this platform to just encourage you to do something new, learn a new skill, and then connect to the right people. I'm also doing the same thing, and also want us to grow together. So anything you want me to say, just drop it in the comment below. I'm also going to check it out, and that's it. So you can also try and subscribe, and let me know what you think. I think I have like 50 something subscribers, so let me know what you think about that, and also subscribe. So I'll catch you.